One day this man saw a dog who's been lying on the road for the last 5 years. He had too much hair on his body and no one was taking care of him. Due to the overgrown hair, his condition had become very bad. The man understood that this dog was an orphan and needed help. He brought him to his home and gradually cut all his hair. As soon as the hair was cut, the dog changed completely and his real face was revealed. The man found this dog so cute that he decided to keep him with him. After a few days, when new hair started growing on his body, he started looking more beautiful than before. The man not only improved the condition of this dog but also changed his life.